One of the most useful document management tools in AutoCAD is the Sheet Set Manager. And it's kind of hard to say, especially really quickly. The Sheet Set Manager is a tool that allows you to manage your drawing sheet sets. A sheet set is a collection of drawings that were created in AutoCAD. With this management tool, users can open any file in the set, they can batch print, manage project information, share data with other files, manage drawing files, manage section views, and a lot more. Sheet sets really shine when multiple drawings are needed in a drawing set, especially when you need to collaborate between other users or departments on a project. Now, to open the Sheet Set Manager, you can just type SSM on the keyboard. Type it in and press Enter. Now, sheet set files are saved as a .dst file. You can also open them through Windows Explorer. Now, this sheet set has two different drawings in it. This is very simple. But I have another sheet set that I have. This one has several different drawings in it for a set of drawings that number 15. So there are 15 drawings in this set. For the quick basics of a sheet set, it's very easy to open up a file. You just double click on one of these files and it opens up. You don't have to browse to it. You don't have to look for it. You don't have to hunt. You can always get to that file very quickly and, even more importantly, extremely easily. Now, your Sheet Set Manager is just a palette. So you can move it around. You can hide it, close it. You can change the size of it. You can close it. And again, just type SSM to bring it back. So it works the same way as any other palette, just like my properties palette does over here. One of the nice things about using the Sheet Set Manager in sheet sets is that you have quick access to any of the drawings in your set. If a different department has created a drawing for the set, you just go to that subset or wherever it's saved, and you can access that file. It doesn't matter where the file is saved, the sheet set knows where to find it. Sheet sets also make it easy to print. If you just select a sheet, or if you hold down the Control key and pick a couple of different sheets, you can right-click and you can go to Publish. And you have a lot of different options on publishing. You can also click just a subset, right-click and publish everything in that subset, or you can publish the entire set all at the same time. So that's really nice. If you need to add a drawing to your set, it can be a real big pain to renumber the sheets that are effective. And if you put the drawing number in your file name, which is a common practice for a lot of people, you might have to do a lot of different things. But you can use sheet sets to renumber them for you. You just start wherever your sheets are, right-click, go to the rename and renumber. Now here you just type in the new number for that drawing. If you need a new sheet title, or if you need to rename the drawing file to match, you'll go through these options here. Some of them are grayed out right now, but you'll click on these options to change the sheet title. You can also rename the layout tab that way so that the sheet title and so that the different names match. So you can do a lot of automation in here on how you manage your file naming, numbering, and even the file saving. So if your client changes a title on a project, you can get to it very easily. If you go to the top of your sheet sets here, right-click, go to Properties. This will give you information on your sheet set. Here it has some basic information, the name of the sheet set, the file where it's located, some descriptions, other views, labels, things like that. You also have some project control settings and fields, custom properties, and sheet creation. We'll go over all these later on. But what you can do is set up different bits of information that your drawings can pull from. And they'll pull from this Sheet Set Manager from these properties. Something like if you have a common number, like a square footage of a room, you can put that in here and you can reference it in different notes, callouts, things like that. And you only have to update it once, and that's in the sheet properties. You don't have to go open up 20 different drawings to update this one number. You can put in drawn by, you can put in project numbers, project names, due dates, engineers, architects of record, things like that. And you can create as many custom properties as you need or want to for your project. So we're going to dig deep into sheet sets. Just to get started here, I wanted to give you a quick overview of some of the things you can do with them.